Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. First of all, I would like to thanks to our lecturer for the opportunity to given us to present our presentation. I would like to present our presentation entitled PEMPEC. We will talk about PEMPEC tonight, this day. The Honorable, our lecturer, and my beloved friends. Before we start, I will introduce myself and my friend. My name is Muhammad Zagar Zahran and my friend is... Okay, I will answer the question from Zarif. The question is the end of our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Mantap.